Love McNally Motors Lanford. Just like to show you our 251 demo Proace city van. This is long wheel base, 1.5 diesel. Comes with electric windows, electric mirrors, centre locking. Both sliding doors on both sides. Front fogs. Bodywork is like new. This van will come with a full DOE. Loads of room inside entry. Very spacious in the back. Reverse sensors. Second sliding door. That's all front. The lower interior. 6-speed manual gearbox. Touchscreen radio with rear park assist. Air conditioning, Bluetooth. USB ports. Multifunction steering wheel. This van has covered kilometers of 14,000 with service history. So that's our 251 Proace City 1.5 GX. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.